Hello class, Miss Hannah here. This week we'll be reading the book titled Oh, the Places You'll Go by Dr. Seuss. Now before we begin our lesson, I have a quick question for all of you, and I want you guys to think about this in your head. Have you ever thought about the places you'll go and what it will take to get there? You might go to San Francisco for work, or you'll go to Paris for a family vacation. Now there are 6 things I want you all to know or have an idea about before coming to class. Number 1, predictions. Before we read our story in class, we're going to make predictions about what the book will be about. For those that do not know, a prediction is a statement about what you think is going to happen in the story. Some examples of predictions are when we hear thunder and see lightning, we predict they will be followed by rain. Number 2, we might predict that a bright elementary school student will do well in high school. Now before coming to class, I want you all to make predictions about the book and be ready to share your predictions with your classmates. Number 2, key details. Key details are words or phrases that help us answer a question. A key detail can also be a word or phrase that gives important information about an event like who, what, when, where, and why. When we read the story in class, I need you all to turn on your thinking caps and pay attention to key details. Number 3, central message. Central message is the lesson the author is trying to teach you. Think about these questions while we read the story in class. And I'll have these questions on the whiteboard as well so you guys don't forget. Number 1, what is the problem? Number 2, what does the character do about the problem? Number 3, what lesson does the character learn? And number 4, what lesson does the author want you to learn? Number 4, rhyming words. Words that rhyme have the same last sound. Rhyme words can also be 2 words that sound alike, such as red and head, blue and you. Other examples of rhyming words are bat and cat, and side and hide. While you're watching this at home, think of 2 words that rhyme and be sure to come to class ready to share your 2 rhyming words. Number 5. Have any of you thought about what you want to be when you grow up? Maybe a teacher, a doctor, a scientist, a lawyer, a dancer, actor, an artist. The list goes on and on. But whatever you want to be, make sure it's something that you will love to do and are passionate about. As we read the Dr. Seuss story in class, I want you all to think about what you want to be and the wonderful places you will go in order to reach your goal. And remember to come to class dressed up as what you want to be when you are older. Last thing you guys need to know about before coming to class is how to write complete sentences. Remember, a complete sentence must have, at minimum, 3 things: a subject, verb, and an object. An example of a complete sentence is Claire walks her dog. In this complete sentence, Claire is the subject, walks is the verb, and dog is the object. That is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you all soon. Bye.